Morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. I hope there's enough light to see me. But here with Mad Taco and B-Dog, we are going up the paved path to the Highpoint trail in York County. It is eclipse morning. It is 5:11 a.m. We are about less than a half hour from sunrise, and we're walking up this path to the highest point in York County, facing east, so that we can see the Ring of Fire eclipse as much as we'll be able to see. It's already starting to get light, and we'll be there soon. As we're walking up, looks like the clouds over there, our Star Destroyer hovering over. So I rustled these guys out of bed at 4 something. So here I am. I got breakfast set up, a little cinnamon toast crunch for them. There we go. Catch a sunrise here. So yeah, it's a great view up here. So right out here, I see a little bit of red happening right here. I have my GoPro up on a Mason-Dixon trail marker, so I'm gonna go check that, make sure it's tuned in. But yeah, facing northeast here is where it should be. Looks a little cloudy on the horizon, so I'm hoping we get some. This is way better than I thought it was gonna be. I really thought that we were looking at rain, thunderstorms, all that kind of stuff today. So hopefully we're going to be good here up on the highest point in York County to see the Ring of Fire, or the devil horns perhaps that we're going to get out of it. We'll see. Kids were not too happy with me getting up, but I think they're happy now. Got our Eclipse glasses ready. See a little peak there under the clouds.
Oh yeah. Oh, can I put the glasses on now?
There we go.
See the sun. Yes.
I think I just see one little sliver. I think the bite's gonna come down from the top left side of it, I believe. I think we do see a little sliver. In this video here, I don't know that we can see it. I think it's just kind of making it red. It is a very red sunrise though. I think my camera's gonna be good enough here, but there is just a little disc under there between the clouds. Oh, there we go. I think I can maybe see it.
Highest point facing east. Oh, facing east. Yes, that we can see the horizon on the east.
I'm gonna give this a little bit of time. As soon as it gets above those clouds, I think it'll be awesome. So this is with an Eclipse glasses lens. You can see a bit of a crescent, but that's about as good as I can get zoomed in. It looks orange in real life. Through this lens it looks red. That's pretty cool.
Like if you look at it quick and then look away and close your eyes, you can see the imprint in your retina. Not recommended by eye
There we go.
Yeah, I'm still seeing like ghost images.
Actually, a little better.
Yeah, I'm actually focusing pretty well with the phone with the lens over it.
Are you driving down today for work? Are you driving down for work?
No,
Eyelashes
I
are
only
hanging
been
out
down
my
there
blink.
once in the
Oh,
past
I
2
see
weeks.
Yeah.
I went down Tuesday and I busted my ass going through a warehouse, opening up boxes, pulling out pumps, looking at serial numbers.
So Brayden, what's causing this?
A little bit.
The moon going in front of the sun.
There you go.
Like I can stretch and stuff. It's
Yeah, if you just glance real quick at the sun, which you shouldn't do for very long, like it just looks normal.
It's black hazelnut.
You need the filter to see the wedge right now.
Alright. Black hazelnut. Okay, no sugar.
like my eyes were itching when we were driving back the next day in the morning, and then the next day at work I woke up and I was like, I'm trying to. Luckily, it was only like.
So yeah, not gonna last much longer here. The moon's definitely moving away. All right, so we're done. I hope some of this video comes out well enough to see. With the old Eclipse glasses here, it was actually pretty fantastic. The disk of the moon was kind of a, it was basically a backwards C. That's what the sun was, with the opening facing left instead of right, with the disk of the moon then moving that way. So it was pretty cool. We're going to get out of here, go rest up, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. What was that?
Bye.